Good morning, day, and evening, everyone. We're back at the PTS with some weapons testing shenanigans, and today on the menu is going to be the Fusion Crusader Pistol with the Smart Shot setup. Even though the damage is not impressive in the big boy, you're gonna be amazed. It's actually insanely strong weapon currently. And the perks are almost the same as previously, only difference is the rank 2 Gorilla and rank 1 Mr. Sandman. I'm gonna test if I can squeeze out a little bit more with them. And the legendary perks are the same, 4 specials, taking 1 for the team, followed through. And for the buffs, all mutations are being suppressed, some scoped gun damage, which works in hip firing, VATS, aiming down sights, so it doesn't actually matter how you use the weapon. And bobblehead small guns for the extra ballistic damage, which actually increases both energy and the ballistic damage. And if you're wondering if the energy weapon bobbleheads works with the Fusion Crusader Pistol, it actually doesn't, because the keywords are ballistic and the default version is ballistic as well. And then some Susan shooting, other random minor special buffs, and I swapped out the limit breaking since it doesn't work, nor does it benefit the Smart Shot setup at all, so I went with 1 extra reflective, 2 rangers. And how I'm going to deal with the robot is going to be, I'm gonna stack my own slot with the pepper shaker, swap out to the Tesla cannon bulk once, start reloading, so I go over 1400 damage resistance, which means I'm gonna reflect the most amount of damage back as I can while I am applying the 20% damage resistance debuff. So rinse and repeat until the shell goes down, bonk once, and then swap to the Crusader Pistol. The only downside is the 24 ammo capacity, but it's still very doable. You could go with the quad as well, but since it's additive, it doesn't actually add that many shots, to be honest. So it's calculated before the large magazine, which adds 12. So you'd go to the 36, so it would be 48 instead of 24. And let's get the show on the road. First we stack up. Max stacks, swap out the weapon, bonk, heal, start reloading, bonk, reload, bonk, reload. And as you can see, the damage is pretty damn nuts. Being able to deal 10,500 per pop is unheard of. Actually unheard of. I have tested multiple weapons, almost a dozen, and probably the only weapons which can actually do more than 10,000 per shot is the pepper shaker, the plasma variant, and that's about it. Even the Enclave Flamer, I'd say it's somewhere around 9,000 with the full min-maxed setup I have. So for you gunslingers, this is a weapon you have to get. I guarantee you'll have fun with it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a good one.